Hello, everybody. It is Harry Potter here once again, and today we're gonna be reviewing Star Wars. Let me take a look. Star Wars Jedi Knight lightsaber. Now, Prince is gone, but I'm gonna be taking over the video, and yeah. So let's open this up and get started. Hey, Harry, what do you think you're doing? Oh my God, Prince, you're here. What are you doing? What are you doing? This is my video, and you're using my review. Oh, can I just be in this video, Harry? I don't think so. Go. Fine, I guess I'll go. I guess you can be in a video. Really? Really? No. Oh. That's all week then. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, I'll just leave Harry right here for a minute. Whatever. Harry, will you stop? I'm trying to film. Sorry. Anyway, hey everyone, this is Prince here once again. So today we're going to be, I just picked a new lightsaber kit up over at Goodwill. Today we're going to be reviewing the Jedi Knight lightsaber. So this is what's in the kit. Get the yellow lightsaber and looks like two elbow connectors. Yeah, and you get two purple daggers. Turn this over. And this is what it comes in the kit. So yeah, so we're gonna get this open. So I'm gonna get this opened up, and we're going to review. See you guys when I come back. Okay, guys, so I finally now got it out of the box. So this lightsaber, so let's take a look. Now, this blade sadly does not... Oh! Okay. Okay, so this blade does go all the way down. I thought it didn't. But anyway, I love the design of this. Just look at this for a minute. I love the design of this hilt right here. I love the design, the way they put into this. So anyway, guys, next we have two purple daggers. Now, these do not light up, which I'm kind of sad about it, but these purple daggers, we have the lightsaber and these two purple daggers. Next, we got ourselves another one of these. And we got two elbow connectors. Yeah. And a double connector. Also, now we have this. This is a Y connector. I think that's what they call it. They call this a Y connector. That's what many people call it. But anyway, we're gonna open this lightsaber up. So as usual, just a flick of a wrist, and it's open. And sadly, there's no sound. This is not an electronic, so it doesn't light up or make any sound. This is not an electric lightsaber. The blade is really durable. The blade is pretty durable, I gotta say. So this can take a lot of doing, but you don't want to get too crazy with it. You don't want to go full hardcore on the blade, or else you can damage it. So the blade is pretty durable, I gotta say, but up to the tip, it gets loose. So you want to be careful that you don't want to get too crazy with this. So anyway, Harry, how about you start? How about you you take over this time. Sure thing, guys. So today we're going to be taking this lightsaber. So now let's say we took. Oh, I gotta move these up closer. Okay. So as you can see, we have all these pieces. Lightsaber. So Prince, how about you hold lightsaber while I put them on? Okay. Let's say we took this Y connector here, twist it on. Oh, my glasses. Let's say we took the Y connector, and we put these on. We'll put these on here. And then we have this. Now let's take this piece here. Let's take this piece. Oh my goodness. Okay, I did this wrong. Sure did, Harry. Ow, my glasses. Okay, now I'm gonna try this again. So let's say we took this piece right here. We connect this to that. Take this piece, connect. You might need to, here, I'll do it for you. Okay, there we go. Okay, next, we're gonna take, so now this is what it looks like right here. Now we're gonna take this piece, connect that right there, and this, that there. I need new glasses, and this one right here. So now you have like that. So this is what the lightsaber looks like. Show you all it like this. This is one way you can do it. How about I do the other one? Okay. Right. Now I'm gonna do it. So let's say we disconnect these, disconnect that. Now I want to let you know something. This whole set got loose by just having me get it out of the box. So be careful when you're trying to get this out of the box. Pretty much all is, or it's just it's just loose. But anyway, let's say we took this Y connector here. Say we did that. Now it looks like this. Now I don't have any other connections, so this is pretty much all I can do. Sadly, this lightsaber is really cheap, so be careful. Just be careful that when you're doing, because with this lightsaber it can break. So do not like physically go hardcore on anybody like this, because it can damage the blade, and plus you can hurt someone. You can damage all these pieces. So this is one way to do it. Another way do that. Do that. And you can do it this way too, just like this. So now it looks like, so you can hold it like this, and then I'm going to do it like this or like this, and you can just attack with your enemies. But what I recommend is that you be careful that you don't jab this part, the end of the throat. So avoid jabbing it near the face. Do not poke or jab this at others or animals. Be careful that you don't break anything. I recommend lightsabers are outside toys. This is not for inside because you could break something. And do not try. So yeah, this says ages 4 and up. This is for ages 4 and up. But I recommend for 4-year-olds to not use lightsabers like this because they don't know any better than them as they can hurt someone with these. An accident can happen at any time with these, so I recommend 4-year-olds do not use this anyway. But that is a recommendation. I'm not saying you can't. It's just a recommendation. But anyway, I really think that this is a really, really cool lightsaber. It's very nice. It does not light up and it don't have any sound. It's just a casual lightsaber. It's not the electric. Here are other connections that you can make on this blue square right here with some different lightsabers. Those are the different types that you can make. Those are the different lightsabers that you can connect with. So I really think that this is a really nice lightsaber. I really like it. That's the different connections you can use with this lightsaber. So yeah, so anyway, guys, this is the review. So this lightsaber is very durable, but do not hit, do not poke, jab any of that at other people. This is perfect for doing. Just be careful with all these things that the way you're doing. You need to do this without, But anyway, this is very cool. I wish the lightsaber was purple and the daggers were yellow. I wish they made another purple lightsaber. Purple is one of my favorite colors. But anyway, I really like this. I really like this lightsaber. It's pretty cool. I love the way how they did this hilt. I love the design of the hilt. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This review. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and what I also like about this lightsaber is that this one actually goes all the way down. So you have like I love the way that they made this lightsaber to go all the way down. With just a flick of a wrist. There you go. Usually most blade builders have buttons to where you can release it. But now they put this lightsaber into this style. So you can just flick your wrist. So just be careful that you don't hit anybody with it. You can do it, just don't tap it, don't hit anyone, don't aim this at the face. Another thing, be careful that you don't scrape this on the solid ground because it can damage the blade, but it won't break. But don't hit this too hard on any surface because you could break something, and not only that, you could damage the blade. Overall, I think that this is a very cool toy to have. I really like it myself. So anyway, guys, let's say we also did it this way. Let's say we did this. You can also do it this way. Do it this way. Do it this way. And do it that way too. Anyway, guys, I will see you all in the next video. So hope you enjoyed this review. When I find other lightsabers, I will review them when I can. Thank you all so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the review. And we will see you all in the next video. We will see you guys next time. Bye. Make sure to subscribe down below. See you all next time. Bye. Harry, leave. See you all next time. Bye.